Welcome to this new video. In this video, we will see about DAX query view. So DAX query view is seen in the left corner. Here DAX query view, you can see if it is not visible, you have to go to file, you have to go to options and settings. So in this options, you have to select preview features, and in the preview features, you have to search for this. So you will have the option write DAX queries with Copilot. You can select that and you can select OK, and you will be getting a message feature request or restart. So you need to restart the Power BI application. So and then after that you will be getting this DAX query view. So in this video we will be seeing how you can write the query in DAX query view. So what is DAX query view? What you will be getting from DAX query view? So DAX query view, it is used to return data from the model. So it is almost like retrieving data from SQL Server, like select statement. So similar to select statement, you are having evaluate statement here. So basically DAX query view is used for debugging, testing and retrieving data. So if you need to debug the data, that means okay, in the visualization, whatever data is present, if you need to test it, you can use this DAX query view and you can write the query using evaluate expression. So today we are going to see 4 of this evaluate expression. One is simple evaluate, the next one is evaluate select columns, and third one is filter, and fourth one is summarize. Usually we use summarize for testing a lot of DAX queries. So we are having some 4-5 tables, and in that we are having one fact table, fact sales, and one customer table we will take, that is a dimension of customer table. We are having the model. It is a star model with the fact sales in the middle and the customer table as the dimension here. So first we will evaluate the fact sales. Evaluating fact sales means, okay, we will get all the details of fact sales. That means almost it is like select star from fact sales in SQL Server. So here it is written automatically. We got this value as evaluate top n 100 of fact sales. That means, okay, top 100 rows of fact sales. So if you want, you can write the query. Otherwise, you can just place your mouse here and you can right click here and quick queries is there, and you will get top 100 rows. Statistics means, okay, you can get the minimum, maximum, you can get the mean, median, mode, everything you can get through statistics. So now we will write a simple statement, evaluate statement. Of course, whatever statement you write, you have the button to run this. Okay, here we are having almost evaluate top 100 of fact sales. You can run it and you can see all the resulting table here. And of course, we have the option to copy the table also. So you can use that also. And here in the above ribbon bar, you can see you have the format query. So whichever way you write the query, once you format the query, everything will be in a proper way. So you can comment, uncomment. These are comment and these are uncomment things. You can find, replace. You can use command palette, can use Copilot for preview. So now we are not going to use any of these things. Of course, we will use it after writing the code. So first we will be evaluating. So just write evaluate and the table name. Table name is fact sales. That is it. So you can place it here and you can run the code. And of course, we got all the rows of this table. So if we want the top 100, you can use it as top 100, top n 100 and fact sales. Now the next one we are going to use is evaluate select columns. So in this table, we need only, if you want to need only product ID, and if you need the sales price, you can use only 2 columns. If you want, you can use select columns. For that, we will use evaluate select columns. And in that column, you can give the table name as fact sales, and then you can write the column name here. So we will write it as product ID, and you can select the column name there. So product ID, and then we will write the next one as sales, and sales name column also you can write it there. So that is it. We will run the code and we got the product ID and the sales corresponding to that product ID. So the next one what we are going to do is we will use the evaluate filter. So filtering the table means, okay, whatever things you need from the table, you can just filter it when we call the table itself. So since we are having the sales details here, we can get the sales that are above 100. So only little bit of values are there. So we can select the table, select the product IDs that are above 150. So you can do the evaluate, and here we can use it at filter. Table name is fact sales, and here the filter expression we can give it as fact sales, total sales greater than 150. So if we evaluate that, you'll be getting this much of rows. And here you can see fact sales. If you check, everything is greater than 150. So this is the third evaluation which we have done. And the fourth one we will use as summarize. Summarize. So summarize, it is like grouping the rows with respect to the aggregation. So we will group with respect to the customer name. So since the model is having a good relationship with the fact and the dimension, so it will automatically take the customer name when you group it. So we will see it. We will summarize it with fact sales itself, fact sales, and the table name. And the second one is the group by column, and we will give it as customer name. So you can see all the related dimension tables have been shown. So we will take it as customer name, and then we will give the name as sales. And here we will give the fact sales. And you can use order by also, order by, and we will order it with respect to the total sales. And we will order it with respect to the highest to the lowest. That means descending. So you can evaluate that and you get it. They have grouped by everything and they have given the consolidated sales list with respect to the customer. So these are basic four functions which we can use using evaluate. You can use all the functions with respect to the evaluate function. And here we have seen only four functions. So advanced functions, we will use it in the next video. And we have another function called define. That also we will see in another video. Hope this was an informative one. Have a nice day.